All right, guys, so getting ready here for crude oil. 226,000 contracts on crude. Definitely a lot of trading going on. And, fairly decent range, I guess, given the environment we've been trading in lately. 52, 57, 52, yeah, 50 cents is not that much range, actually. We're in the $52 a barrel range as crude's been kind of inching higher in a bigger trend. But yeah, not a ton of range, actually, come to think of it. 49-cent range, not even 50 cents. And most of the volume happening within a 20-cent range, like between 52.15 and 52.35. It'll be interesting to see the reaction here when it comes out in a moment. See how accurate the clock is here compared to the reaction. There it is. A couple seconds off of my clock, but close. And look at how that 35-cent level is what rejected the price. I just said that's where most of the volume, the range, and it tested it and came off. Let's see if it can get through it. On the low end, 52.15, and so far it's right inside of that range where most of the volume is traded today. And it hasn't been able to break out of its initial reaction yet. The initial reaction, right there. There it goes. Now it's pushing through. So the active trade thus far is 52.19. Now I got to wait for a new setup. Still waiting for another 20 seconds or so. All right, so we're just going to take whatever the setup is now. Possible long at 52.22. There it is, 52.22. And that's targeting 52.37 with the stop at 07. Kind of a V shape. The inability to get lower after breaking through some support might cause this to move higher. So let's see if we can come up and test that upper end of the range. First milestone is our money management level right there at 32. And there it is. And hitting targets. Make sure that stops going up. 29. Don't you love that? And now the stop's at 32. Still and out. That's it. And this is and still remains my favorite trade of the week, as you can see why. If you have any questions, let me know. Hopefully you guys were able to take advantage of that. And it's a great case of what happens when you get the head fake one way and the nice move in the other direction. Those are setups that I look for. And it worked out good for us here as it broke support, failed, and then turned around, and we were able to pick it up on a really fast and efficient trade. Just such a consistent, dependable trade for us. All right, guys, so we're going to do Spotlight Power Trader at 11. That's in about 23 minutes or whatever. So I'll be standing by if anyone has any questions. But until then, I'll silence the mic. And we'll be back here at 11 to review Spotlight Power Trader.